Tell.
Yeah. Snaker.
Yeah.
Here John is doing his most favorite activity in the whole world, which is trolling crankbaits.
Chunky.
And he was rewarded by a nice snake. Chunky snake. John's really been pumping the hell out of this lure.
He's been eating good too. His stomach is bulged out. Come here. What we got here? Oh, big old bottom feeder too. I thought it was a big old bass for this. Well, it's been a mighty slow day though. This is about what? Maybe 5 decent fish and about 10 dinks. And what was it? A walleye, I think. Nice big walleye. He's taking drag. I didn't think walleyes ever fought. Oh, it's hooked under the chin. That's probably why. Got a little shell shock there from that. I lost a big one in this area on a spoon before. He was in like 5 feet of water. That one on the spoon. This one was in 20 feet though. Nice one though. Nice and fat. On a, come here. On a grubster. Get him off. Put him back in.
Is that worthy of your efforts?
Well, Mike caught 10 in a row. 9 of them were about 4 inches long. And he finally caught a halfway decent fish.
Yeah.
Well, this is a bottom feeder though, but
nice fish.
it's bigger than what we've been catching, or he's been catching.
We call that 22?
Yeah, maybe.